Okay, so the last area that I'm gonna show you here is the area of a rhombus or a kite. A rhombus and kite are two different things. A rhombus, in fact, yeah, I'll just use two colors. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides, and it's a parallelogram. All the sides are parallel. That is a rhombus. A kite is not a parallelogram. Okay? A kite looks like a kite. Well, not like I draw it. Let's go fly a kite where these two are the same and these two are the same. There's no parallel. Okay? But what we have in both the rhombus and the kite that makes them unique is the diagonals. The diagonals make a 90-degree angle. So the area formula for a rhombus and a kite, both, is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So you multiply the two diagonals and divide by 2. This works for both rhombus and kite. Now a square is also a rhombus, so this could work for a square as well. But we're going to focus on the rhombus. So let's do a couple of questions with rhombus. Rhombi. So I'm going to draw a rhombus here. And I'm going to tell you it's a rhombus, which means all four sides are the same. And I'm going to tell you that this is 15 inches. And the other diagonal is going to be 12 inches. That's the whole diagonal. This goes from here to here. And then let's do color coding so you can see it. And the green one is the 12. That goes from here to here. So you can see that a little bit better. So the area is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So diagonal 1 is 15 inches. Diagonal 2 is 12 inches. And I'm going to divide that by 2. So 15 times 12, so you have 180. 180 divided by 2 is 90 square inches. And that's it. That's all you have to do for a rhombus. You just multiply the two diagonals together. Now a rhombus is also a parallelogram, which means what else could you use for a rhombus? Base times height. So let's look at a kite. A kite, remember, does not have the parallelogram properties. So the kite is going to look like this. So like and I'm going to draw my two diagonals in the kite. So my kite might have a diagonal of, let's say diagonal 1 is 10 feet. And we'll say that diagonal 2 is 8 feet. So if I want to find the area of the kite, the area is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So 10 feet times 8 feet, and I'm just writing the units in here, divided by 2. So that's 80 feet squared divided by 2, which is 40 square feet. So that's how you find the area of a rhombus and a kite.